To the tragedy that unfolded in Ahmedabad, 198 bodies have been handed over to the families, and the focus really is on speedy DNA matching. DNA has been matched for 215 bodies so far, 215 victims. The Aviation Ministry's big focus is on safety, and that is what the Minister has in fact had that meeting with the Air India chief, and the Air India curtailing its international flight operations. The crashed Boeing 787 Dreamliner was well maintained and had undergone a major check in June of 2023 with the next schedule for December of this year, is what the Air India CEO and Managing Director has gone on to say. The London Gatwick bound flight was well maintained, and its last major inspection in June of 2023, and another that was scheduled for this very year, is what Wilson said in an email to the members of his loyalty program. Now, the aircraft and engines showed no issues before the flight, and the pilots, Captain Sumit Sabharwal and First Officer, his co-pilot Clyde Kunder, had 13,400 hours of flying experience, is what he went on to say. He also spoke about the Air India chief has now said that 15% reduction as far as Air India's international wide-body fleet operations are concerned for the next few weeks is a temporary move, and it may affect its customers' travel plans. We have Aishwarya joining us to get us the very latest. Aishwarya, take us through, we do know that the DNA matching is taking time. How many more days before this entire process can be completed? What is taking the authorities so long in order to establish that DNA matching?
Well, the health department here in Gujarat is specifically telling to us that they are working day and night. The team of doctors, the forensic experts are working 24/7 so that as soon as possible the DNA samples could be matched of all of those who lost their lives during this tragic Air India crash. Till now, there are more than 217 of those bodies that had been that those DNAs had been matched with the family members. The latest data that we are getting is 199 of those mortal remains had been dispatched to their family members in Gujarat, outside Gujarat, or abroad as well. But the major task ahead of these authorities are of now, because there are different bodies which had come in a very bad condition. They have decomposed, and it takes a lot of scientific method to prove as far as how DNA sampling could be matched. So that's one thing that is taking a lot of time now, when it has already 8 days that had been passed. But on the other side, yes, the investigation is on. 8 days has been passed. There are many questions in the minds of the family members of those who lost their loved ones, at why this flight actually crashed. On the other side, contrary to that, we have got the statement from the Air India as well, and they have given a clean sheet. Both the engines were fully checked. Pilots were pilots had that experience of flying international and more than 8,000 hours of something that they had an experience. The service was due for December 2025. Then why this plane crashed? Of course, the black box, the cockpit voice recorder, and the flight data recorder had been retrieved successfully. It was certainly in a bad condition, a damaged condition, but after the due assessment only, the authorities will decide that whether that black box will be sent to abroad for decoding the entire data, and how soon we can get the first initial details, the preliminary investigation that is going on. But it is the authorities who have been saying that they have been given full assistance, support from every side of the investigation, so that we can get to know about how this plane crashed.